Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat app. So the thing is that there is no feature on Snapchat that's going to show you whether or not someone is online. But there are a couple of methods that you can use to figure out if someone is online or not. So the first method is to send a message to the person that you want to check if they are online. So let's go over to the chat screen and send this person a message. And then let's go back, and as you can see, this says delivered. What this means is that the message was delivered to this person but they didn't read it and ignored it. So the message delivery status is one way to determine whether someone is online or not. If this says opened or seen, then they're definitely online and reading the message. The second method is that you can go over to the stories section and check whether or not they have posted a story. The third and final method is to check the Snap map. So let's tap on the map icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then tap on the friends icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So when you are on this screen, if your friends has this feature enabled, then it will show you when he was last online. So that wraps up this tutorial. If this video was helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.